Wow, Brad, I just can't believe this.
What are you talking about, Bob?
The U.S. Census Bureau, 1 of 4 kids in San Antonio is living below the poverty level.
Man, that is not good. You know, perhaps we can donate, really help these kids out.
You know, I was on the board of Boys and Girls Club for 13 years. What a great organization. Maybe we can do something to help them.
You know, we've done a lot of great things before for nonprofits in San Antonio, but maybe we can do something bigger this time. Get more people involved. Maybe we can reach out to the Dscoop community.
Fantastic idea. Let's call John. Hey, it's Bob Bryant with the Watermark Group in San Antonio, Texas. We're trying to do something to give back to the kids in San Antonio, and I need your help with the Dscoop network.
Well, what we've accomplished today here is just great, but it's not just about giving. Our global connected community creates opportunities and accelerates growth for all of our organisations. That is the power of Dscoop.
We are so excited about this generous gift from the Dscoop community and its members, because what you're doing is giving back to kids in our community who really need us. They really need a level playing field.
Best day of my life. Yeah!